Hello everyone, this is Riddhish Jani from New Zealand Gateway. I'm your licensed immigration advisor, and today we have some good news and big relief to all of us. Immigration New Zealand has decided that they will now start processing and deciding on partnership-based visa applications for applicants who are offshore, meaning for applicants who are outside of New Zealand. If the application is supported by a New Zealand citizen or resident only. So for people whose partners are on a student visa or a work visa, for them there is no change unfortunately, but we are hopeful that in the coming time period we'll have better clarity on when Immigration New Zealand will start processing these applications. So the following visa categories will now be processed by Immigration New Zealand. The visa categories are visitor visa based on partnership, work visa based on partnership, resident visas based on partnership, dependent child visitor visa, dependent child student visa, and also these categories will be exempt. If granted a visa, will be exempt from the border exception restrictions. So you don't have to file an EOI, you do not have to submit an expression of interest for an exception to travel to New Zealand, which was the case earlier. So this is one positive change that we are seeing right now. However, please know that this does not include a general visitor visa applications which are applied by partners of New Zealand citizens and residents. For example, if your partner is in New Zealand and he's a citizen, or he or she is a citizen or a resident, and you have applied for a general visitor visa, then your application will still not be processed yet. Now, the most common question that we face here is how long will it take for these partnership visa applications to be processed by Immigration New Zealand? So currently Immigration New Zealand has around 2,258 temporary visa applications with them for processing, and around 2,238 resident visa applications with them. So that is a huge number of applications which they already have with them right now, and which will approximately take anywhere between 3 to 6 months for them to process. So this is just an approximate time frame. I cannot guarantee that the application will be processed within 3 to 6 months, but we can be hopeful that this is how much time that they'll take to process these applications. Now, there are a few conditions that you need to meet in a partnership visa application. If Immigration New Zealand determines that you do not meet these in partnership visa instructions, they may grant you a general visitor visa, and they will put your application on hold. See, this is only if they feel that you do not meet the partnership criteria, which is the fourfold test of credibility, living together, genuine relationship, and stable relationship. So if Immigration New Zealand determines that you are not meeting this criteria, even though you have applied for a partnership visa, they can convert your visa application into a general visitor visa and put your application on hold, right? Also, one important thing is, if your visa application is more than 3 months old, meaning if you have applied 3 months back from the current date, Immigration New Zealand will ask you for an updated medical, and they'll also ask you for updated relationship proofs for these months of the lockdown, or these months while Immigration New Zealand was not processing the applications. So these are two things that you'll have to provide, the updated evidences. One is the new medical, and the second will be the updated partnership evidences. New medical includes your chest x-ray, and that's it. Like, you do not have to submit a full medical certificate again. You only have to submit a new chest x-ray certificate. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to write down in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.